Welcome back to our channel with another new tutorial. In this video we are looking how to archive all your WhatsApp chats. Before we get started, make sure to like the video, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Here is a step-by-step guide you can follow to archive all your WhatsApp chats. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Next in the Chats tab, tap More Options icon, 3 dots. Step 3. From the given options, tap Settings. Step 4. On the new page, tap Chats, then tap on Chat History and GT. Step 5. Tap on Archive all chats. Thank you for watching the video.